Eleanor Nancy Macpherson, born March 29, 1964, is an Australian model, businesswoman, television host, and actress. She was the host and executive producer of Britain and Ireland's Next Top Model from 2010 to 2013. She is an executive producer of NBC's Fashion Star and was the host for the first season. She is known for her record 5 cover appearances for the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue, beginning in the 1980s, leading to her nickname The Body, coined by Time in 1989. She is the founder, primary model, and creative director for a series of business ventures, including Elle Macpherson Intimates, a lingerie line, and The Body, a line of skincare products. As an actress, Macpherson appeared in supporting roles in Sirens 1994, The Mirror Has to Faces 1996, and as Julie Madison in Batman and Robin 1997, as well as lead roles in The Edge 1997 and South Kensington 2001. She had a recurring role on Friends and hosted an episode of Saturday Night Live. Macpherson was born Eleanor Nancy Gow in Killara, New South Wales on March 29, 1964, the daughter of entrepreneur and sound engineer Peter Gow, a former president of the Cronulla Sutherland Sharks, a Sydney Rugby League team, and Frances Gow, a nurse. She is of Scottish descent. Macpherson's parents divorced when she was 10 years old, and she moved with her mother and 2 siblings. Her mother later remarried, and a clerical mistake in registering at her new school meant that her surname was changed from Gow to Macpherson, her stepfather's surname. Macpherson grew up in East Lindfield, a suburb in Sydney's North Shore, and attended Killara High School, completing her higher school certificate in 1981. Her sister is businesswoman and environmentalist Mimi Macpherson, born Miriam Frances Gow. Personal life, Macpherson dated Billy Joel during the early 1980s. Joel has said that the songs This Night and So It Goes were written about his relationship with Macpherson. Macpherson is also believed to be at least part of the inspiration for Joel's track Uptown Girl. Macpherson met French fashion photographer Gilles Bensimon in 1984. On a photo session for Elle magazine, they wed in May 1986 and divorced. 3 years later, Macpherson began a relationship with financier Arpad Busson in 1996. They have 2 sons. The family lived together in London until their separation in July 2005. Macpherson subsequently began dating Miami, Florida-based hotel heir and billionaire Jeffrey Soffer, son of Donald Soffer, in early 2009. They broke up in March 2012, but reconciled following his injury in a helicopter accident in November 2012. They became engaged in March 2013 and married in July 2013 at the Lokala Resort in Fiji. In 2017, Macpherson and Soffer announced that they were getting a divorce. That same year, Macpherson underwent treatment for breast cancer, specifically HER2 positive estrogen receptor positive ductal carcinoma in situ. Her doctors recommended a mastectomy, chemotherapy, hormone therapy, and breast reconstruction surgery, but she decided to have a lumpectomy instead of mastectomy, followed by holistic medicine instead of chemotherapy. From 2017 to 2019, Macpherson dated the British fraudster, anti-vaccine activist, and disgraced former physician Andrew Wakefield. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.